My name is Olivia Miller, and I wrote my psych paper on how different based attitudes power intergroup behaviors. The first thing I want to talk about are the three components of attitudes. The affective component is an individual's feelings and emotions about the attitude object. For example, some might say they hate their boss. The next component is the cognitive component, which is an individual's beliefs, ideas, and thoughts about the attitude object. Going off the previous example, someone might say they hate their boss because he or she gave another coworker who was less deserving a raise. The final component is the behavioral one. This component is the reaction or intended behavior towards the attitude object. The individual who hates he or she's boss may start to look for another job or constantly complain about their boss. The attitude base, meaning which component it is a key variable of attitude behavior consistency of intergroup relations. The next thing I want to discuss is the second key variable of attitude behavior consistency of intergroup relationships. Affective cognitive consistency refers to the level of agreement or struggle between the two components. Research shows that individuals with high affective cognitive consistency tend to have stronger attitude behavior consistency than individuals with low consistency. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the first type of behaviors. Consumatory behaviors are desirable or disfavorable behaviors performed that leads straight to one's contentment. An example of this would be if an individual ate food or drank water. In the first study I found, research showed that affective-based attitudes foresee intergroup consumatory behaviors to a greater degree than cognitive-based attitudes, no matter the consistency between the two components. The last type of behavior I want to discuss are instrumental behaviors. These behaviors are executed to attain a specific goal in hopes of achieving something. For example, I myself in high school studied a lot harder when my parents told me there would be a reward, aka money, for all A's. In the second study I found, research revealed that attitudes with a cognitive base are bound to be stronger predictors of intergroup behaviors that are instrumental than attitudes with an affective base. Thanks for listening.